people just go be in there and go behind the hands look. But some people go, do it under your head. My dreams, that's my bread. And those are the things that are on the end of your plate, so you know everything in between is yours. Got it? Simple enough? Yes. D. Red plate on my drink, or on my right hand side. Okay? What should you do before engaging in conversation? But you probably did that when you all walked in, right? What you do before, say, let me give you a better example. Everybody's at the table. What should you do before you start conversing?
Greet.
No, you said yourself. You put the napkin on your lap, and you recognize your area, your space, and then after that, you proceed.
Done that. Napkin on the lap. Cool. You acknowledge. Everybody at the table. Before anybody starts conversation, full conversation, what we there for, whether it's fun conversation, anything in any restaurant. What do you do? First. There you go. What? Review the menu and order your food. How do you think that little waitress feels when they keep coming? Are you ready? Are you ready? I got other tables. Are you ready? Oh, we all ready. He or she has other tables, other business to take care of. She's probably going to get off in about 40 minutes, and you're going to force her or him to do some overtime they might not necessarily want to do, because now they got to pay babysitter longer because y'all don't want to order your food. You're in the restaurant, order your food. But basically, just to also honor, again, not just thinking about you and that person, there's someone serving you that day, and they're trying to do a good job at it. Remember them also. Order your food. Of course, also, wash your hands. Okay? Wash your hands, but you can wash your hands actually at that point or after you turn in the menus. And there's a couple of points you can wash your hands, but this ideally is the best part. Unless you are doing business while waiting for the food and passing papers and in and out of your bags across the table, then wait to wash your hands, okay? But order your food, so that's going to take a while to do anyway, and conversation can happen. Yes, and that's what you guys are about to do right now. I would recommend that you go and wash your hands. I would recommend, because sanitizer don't fix everything. I'm sure we all know. But, and it depends what has been on your hands. Okay, I mean, you're only eating your food, but if you're dipping or sharing anything, they might be a little more comfortable if you want to. Okay, so what I'm actually going to have you guys do now, I'm going to ask you, you're welcome to leave your bags here, or take them with you and use what you learned to see how comfortable it is for you. But I'm going to actually release you guys to go find a spot to sit in at the table. I'm going to ask everyone to sit 5 people per table.